on your shoulder. They're only gonna make you drown. We all swing high, we all swing low. We all got secrets people don't know. We all got dreams we can't let go. We wanna be brave, don't be afraid, no. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in
GIGASMON spirit.
in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire. In a fire. Live like a warrior. Your heart is too heavy from things that carry a long time. Been up, you've been down. Tired and you don't know why. But you're never gonna go back. You only live one life.
Tonight we're gonna draw the spirit of Earth, GIGASMON. He was one of the main characters for the Beast Spirit Evolution arc. He was one of the best Beast Spirit Evolution, one of the first ones as well. He's the evolved form of Rumblemon. By the way, you guys think I should draw more King of Destruction fighters from Dragon Ball Heroes? You guys asked me yet. Well, I don't really get the chance to draw those guys. I feel like I should more often. By the way, King of Destruction, you see, the way you say King of Destruction is actually known as Night Soul. Night Soul is actually King of Destruction in Japanese. That's how they say it in the Dragon Ball Z Kai anime. Even Vegeta managed to master that form without Babidi being around. Coincidence? I blame the aliens. No offense. Here's GIGASMON's giant brutal fist of cuffs. There's his foot, his fist. Alexa, play Sonic Colors theme.
Here's Reach for the Stars, opening theme, vocals by Jean-Paul Makhlouf of Cash Cash, by Sega and Tomoya Otani, on Amazon Music.
There we are.
Take off at the speed of sound. Bright lights, the colors all around. I'm running wild, living fast and free. Got no regrets inside of me. Not looking back, not giving up, not letting go. I'll keep on running. I'm gonna reach for the stars.
There he is.
Although they look pretty far.
Alexa, what is a rock?
As a noun, rock can have a few meanings. 1. A large mass of stone forming a hill, cliff, promontory, or the like. 2. Stone in the mass. 3.
Alexa, what is a
stone
valley?
A valley is an elongated low area often running between hills or mountains, which will typically contain a river or stream running from one end to the other. Most valleys are formed by erosion of the land surface by rivers or streams over a very long period of time. Some valleys are formed through erosion by glacial ice.
Well, that takes care of that. Anyhow, that's how you draw GIGASMON.